I'd like to start by acknowledging the Minister for Finance, National Development and Statistics and his team for setting the fiscal direction of the 2025-26 budget for the new financial year. Mr. Speaker, sir, all of us in this August House know how things are in our communities in remote Fiji. We also know how difficult life is when your farm lacks a decent road. Our ministry is operationalizing our plans to do so by trying to reduce bureaucracy. We want to build roads that make real change. And this past year, under our Rural and Out Island project, we worked with 22 local contractors to build 30 farm access roads across 152.4 kilometers in 11 provinces, all for approximately $2.2 million. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the Northern Division, a total of 64.38 kilometers of roads have been constructed, benefiting 1,664 people across 387 households, including 849 males and 815 females. Major rural community farm access roads in the Northern Division include the graveling and upgrading of the 15-kilometer road from Sese to Canberra in the Conroe province, connecting to the district boundary of Undu Point. In phase 2, the upgrading of the 10-kilometer community farm access road from Nadula to Voloboni, linking the interior of the Conroe to the Maduata provincial boundary. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the Western Division, 28 kilometers of road have been constructed, benefiting a population of 1,724 across 397 households, including 879 males, 845 females. The major construction in the Western Division include the second phase of upgrading the 9-kilometer Nasaudoko Rural Community Farm Road. This road links the highlands of the Singatoko Valley to the Nausori Highlands in Navosa province, providing farmers, women, vendors, school children, and the elderly with essential access to public services in urban areas. And the second phase of construction for the Uli Mangonro Community Farm Access Road involves grubbing and graveling to ensure proper compaction and road quality in line with the scope of works provided by the FRA engineers. In the Eastern Division, Mr. Speaker, sir, 14.6 kilometers of community farm access roads have been constructed, benefiting 1,120 members of the population and 430 households, 730 of them being male and 390 females. A new 8-kilometer road from Nangalotu to Tawaba, adjacent to Mount Washington, was constructed in the last financial year, which improves transportation connectivity in the southern part of Kandavu, serving the districts of Nambukalevu, Yawe, and Tavuki. The Speaker, sir, in the Lau Group, a new 7.5-kilometer access road on Moala Island connects the villages of the Koba and Vanra, which now helps the Angona farmers in these villages access their farms via their new access road. These villages used to be accessible only by fiberglass boats. And Mr. Speaker, sir, in the Central Division, 45.5 kilometers of community farm access roads have been constructed as phase 1. The new access road will benefit 2,150 people and 430 households with 1,120 males and 1,030 females. The major project in the division includes the 15-kilometer community farm access road connecting the village of Wainamakutu in the province of Namosi and Nasavo village in Neitasiri. This construction was made possible through a public-private partnership between Southern Forest Fiji, the landowners, and the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and Disaster Management. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and Disaster Management will continue to invest in new farm roads in the future with the support of the government. This is part of the broader objective for the Rural and Out Island program in improving infrastructure access, benefiting not only the farmers, but also vulnerable groups in society. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank the Minister for Rural and Maritime, Honorable Ditoka.